I'll use this string, and then when you lock it, you just insert it and boom, done. It takes less than a second to do this. Now, this makes your product branded, right? It lifts your product. Here, put it inside. Nice and smooth. I have this, and the same way, same process, and then put a sticker, and the package is branded. So this doesn't look that cheap, but it's still showing that it's a brand. It's not from any other store. They can probably use the sticker and paste it somewhere. So ideally, or you can do is take the sticker out and put it inside so they can paste it. But what I've noticed is no one really uses these stickers for other purposes, so it's better to just brand it, so when they receive it, they have an experience, they know it's from your company, right? 2 products here ready to ship for mask and for hoodies. Now, one thing I have to say, I used to see that when I use these packaging, before I used to just use plain packaging. Now I use these, and what I've noticed is people are putting up stories when they see a package like this because they like it, whereas when it was from a random company, a random package, they wouldn't put a story. The difference is they like to talk about a brand when they see a packaging. So that is why, and it's free marketing, so you should definitely brand your product because it helps the brand grow. So you must use packaging, right? Alright guys, if you liked this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, add to a Facebook group, follow me on Instagram for a free session, and I'll be happy to help.